NMR1. You're looking at a machine that completely redefines the word motorhome. This is the 2026 Kenworth T2000, not just a truck, not just an RV. This thing is a rolling luxury mansion. And once you see the inside, you'll understand why we say it's bigger and smarter than your apartment. From the outside, it already turns heads. That deep red shine, the chrome grille, the double-decker design, it's a beast built for attention. But step inside, and everything changes. As the automatic door opens, you're welcomed by warm, ambient lighting and handcrafted interiors. The living room is full leather recliners, hardwood floors, and a massive 55-inch 4K smart TV. Surround sound, fireplace screen, and wraparound windows make this space feel more like a luxury suite than a moving vehicle. Walk a few steps further, and you hit the kitchen, and no, it's not just a microwave and a sink. We're talking full residential setup, dual stainless steel refrigerators, induction stove, oven, marble countertops, and a touchscreen control panel that runs the entire home. Now go upstairs. Yes, upstairs. Because this Kenworth has two full levels. The top floor is your private suite. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, underbed storage, reading lights, blackout shades, and behind a sliding door, a full bathroom. Walk-in rain shower, backlit mirrors, dual sinks, even heated floors. Most apartments don't offer this much comfort. Everything in here is connected. Smart lighting, smart AC, security systems, and voice controls. Want to close the blinds or start the generator? Just ask. The T2000 listens. And just when you think that's all, the rear garage opens up. A hidden ramp slides out, revealing a built-in parking space. Whether it's a small car like a BMW, an ATV, or a pair of electric bikes, it fits right in the back. This isn't an RV made for campsites. This is built for freedom, luxury, and ultimate independence. Whether you're parked by a mountain range or cruising through the desert, the Kenworth T2000 makes sure you never miss the feeling of home. So the next time someone says, "Wow, nice apartment," just smile and show them your keys. NMR2. You're about to witness something that doesn't just redefine RVs, it completely transforms what luxury travel means. This is the 2026 Ultra Luxury RV. The second you step inside, it feels less like a vehicle and more like a 5-star penthouse that moves. From the outside, it looks unreal. Sculpted bodywork, panoramic smart glass windows, and a rooftop setup that hints this isn't your average road trip machine. Once that automatic door opens, everything changes. Main lounge is jaw-dropping. Plush Italian leather sofas, a built-in 75-inch 4K OLED display, and a surround sound system that makes movie nights feel like theater premieres. The lighting adjusts with your mood, and the floor is finished in real marble. Yes, marble, in an RV. Now, let's talk kitchen. Full residential layout, induction cooktop, smart oven, hidden dishwasher, even a voice-controlled fridge. Every surface is sleek, seamless, and touchscreen responsive. There's even a wine cooler built into the island counter. Then comes the private suite, and I mean private. King-size bed, floating nightstands, built-in charging docks, and a skylight that switches from clear to starry night mode. Slide open the next panel, and you've got a luxury bathroom, rainfall shower. It's towel warmer, and a backlit mirror that shows weather, time, and your health stats. But here's where things get wild. This RV has its own rooftop bar, a hidden staircase, lifts you to an upper deck with a retractable awning, lounge seating, ambient lights, and a built-in cooler. Whether you're in the forest, mountains, or by the beach, this turns any stop into a private event. And yes, it drives itself. Level 4 autonomous driving, terrain adaptive suspension. K-Man system that can literally plan your entire route while you lax in bed. This isn't a motorhome, it's a moving luxury experience, okay? And for 2026, it's setting a standard most homes can't even compete with. NMR3. This isn't science fiction. This is real, and it's driving on Earth right now. You're looking at the 2026 Space Age RV. A machine so advanced, it feels like NASA secretly built it for Mars, and someone gave you the keys. The body, sleek, aerodynamic, and made with composite materials used in actual spacecraft. The exterior panels shift based on terrain and temperature. We're talking adaptive skin that responds to the environment. But that's just the surface stop. Step inside and you're instantly transported. The cabin doors seal shut with a quiet whoosh, and the lights come alive like a spacecraft preparing for launch. The floor is anti-gravity gel foam. The walls are embedded with smart fiber that changes color, texture, and even soundproofs on demand. In the center, the command cockpit. A panoramic digital control system with AI-assisted driving, voice navigation, and real-time terrain scanning. You don't steer this RV, you pilot it. Now, here's where it gets crazy. One command, the RV transforms. Side panels extend outward, creating extra living space. The roof rises hydraulically, revealing a glass observatory dome for stargazing. Solar wings deploy silently, locking into position to power the entire unit off-grid for weeks. The lounge feels like a private space station module. Built-in reclining pods with VR displays, ambient lighting controlled by gestures, and a central AI that remembers your preferences: lighting, scent, even the way you like your coffee. The bedroom, zero-gravity sleep pod with climate zones, artificial night sky ceiling, and a biometric mattress that adjusts pressure in real time. The bathroom. Think space capsule meets luxury spa, water recycling rain shower, smart toilet, and air drying tech borrowed from orbital stations. And yes, there's an escape pod, a self-driving drone unit for short-range exploration. Just dock in, set a destination, and go scout the terrain while your main RV stays in orbit. Earth orbit. The 2026 Space Age RV isn't a home away from home. It's a leap into the future. One where comfort, tech, and adventure all meet in one. Transforming, intelligent, alien-level machine. NMR4. This isn't just a truck. It's a legend reborn as a rolling palace. You're looking at the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. And what they've done to this highway icon is nothing short of mind-blowing. From the outside, it still holds. That bold, aggressive stance, the W900 is famous for long hood, vertical chrome stacks, and that unmistakable Kenworth grille. But look closer, and you'll see the transformation. Extended bodywork, custom paint, panoramic windows, and a rear section that unfolds like a luxury penthouse. Step inside, and everything you thought about motorhomes just gets shattered. The living area feels like a private jet cabin. Plush leather. Seating with massage and heat functions, hardwood flooring. 8K smart display with surround sound, and LED lighting that shifts based on time of day and mood. You're not driving across the country, you're gliding through it in first class next. The kitchen? Full residential appliances, smart fridge, induction cooktop, convection oven, hidden dishwasher. Everything is voice activated. Even the cabinets open with a gesture. Slide open the frosted glass door, and you're in the private suite. King-size bed with underbed storage, a digital fireplace, and a walk-in closet. And behind that, a spa-grade bathroom with rainfall shower, towel warmers, and smart mirrors that display weather, traffic, or even your health stats. But here's the twist. The rear of this W900 motorhome houses a hidden garage. A powered ramp unfolds, revealing a compact BMW, an ATV, or whatever you want to take along for the ride. On top, a rooftop bar and lounge retractable shade, ambient lights, and a 360-degree view that makes every stop feel like an exclusive event. Under the hood, the beast still lives. A tuned Cummins X15 engine with 605 horsepower and an 18-speed automatic. It may be a luxury suite now, but it still pulls like a freight king. The 2026 W900 didn't just evolve, it ascended. From highway legend to full-blown luxury king. And this is how you take the open road in style. NMR5. You're looking at a machine so advanced, calling it an RV almost feels disrespectful. This is the 2026 Prevost Luxury Motorhome. And not only is it smarter than your house, it might actually replace it. From the outside, it's a statement. Sleek metallic skin, auto-tinting glass, LED matrix lighting, and a chassis built on Prevost's signature touring platform. But once you step inside, you're not entering a vehicle. You're entering the future of living. The door opens automatically with facial recognition. Step in, and the AI activates, reading you, adjusting the climate, setting the lighting to your profile, and queuing up your favorite playlist. Everything. From here on out is intelligent. The lounge is next level. Voice controlled everything. Temperature zones, holographic interface embedded in the coffee table. The sofa, Italian leather with massage, recline, and memory settings. Just like a first-class airline suite. And overhead, a starlight ceiling with reactive lighting that syncs with your mood and time of day. Slide into the kitchen, you're greeted by a fully automated cooking station, smart oven, motion sensor faucets, induction cooktops with safety lock, and a fridge that literally tells you what to cook based on what's inside. And yes, it cleans itself. Now the bedroom, a biometric, king-size bed that adjusts firmness in real time while tracking your heart rate and sleep quality. Climate bubbles let you sleep warm while your partner sleeps cool. Curtains, gone. The windows are reactive glass. Just tap to reveal the sunrise or turn it fully opaque. But the crown jewel, the bathroom or rainfall shower that recycles and purifies water. Smart mirrors that give you health updates. And a toilet that cued my liquids. And a toilet that knows a lot more than it probably should. And on top of all that, a rooftop deck with a retractable lounge, solar charging array, and 360 view glass dome. Whether you're deep in the wild or parked at a luxury resort, this RV adapts, thinks, and elevates everything. The 2026 Prevost isn't just transportation. It's a tech-driven lifestyle upgrade that makes traditional homes feel outdated. Once you've lived in something this smart, going back feels impossible.